I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on more down here. When you click here on more here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just scrolling down here. Enter your phone settings, just click on it. You click here on privacy and content restrictions. Then you just switch into open with you. So then you click here on communications, just click on it. You click here on experience chat, just click on it. You come here to direct chat. You select here who can or who you can direct message with uh, within an experience. Here can you select if you want to add everyone or no one here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.